Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can turn off automatic apps update on iPhone iOS 18. Okay, so in this video, we will try to turn it off. So let's start video without wasting any of time. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings section, you need to scroll down again scroll down and tap on app store. Okay, tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen. Here are showing many options. Right now you can see appears on screen right now. App updates, automatically install new app updates. You can see appears on screen right now. It's turn on. If you want to turn it off, your iPhone will not auto update your apps that you are using recently in your iPhone. Okay, so if you want to turn it off, just turn it off, and after that your iPhone can't update any new update that appears on App Store. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to turn off auto update apps on iPhone iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.